I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you need to cancel your Costco membership through the app, follow these steps to make the process smooth. Step 1. Open the Costco app. Launch the Costco app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access membership options. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once loaded in, tap on the account icon usually located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Select membership details. In the account settings, look for the membership section. Select membership details. This will show you your current membership status and options. Step 4. Initiate cancellation. Find the option to cancel membership and tap on it. You may be prompted to confirm your decision, so read any warnings carefully before proceeding. Step 5. Complete the process. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the s.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Remember, if you have any outstanding charges or issues, it is best to resolve those before canceling. Good luck, and I hope this helps you out.